Medicare is a step closer to being a smaller cash cow for the pharmaceutical industry. On August 29th, the Biden administration announced the first 10 drugs that faced price negotiations from Medicare. The stocks of the affected companies shrugged it off, but the hits are going to keep on coming in future years. Medicare, the giant government program that covers health care for U.S. seniors, had been prohibited under law from negotiating discounts to drug prices. That changed when the Inflation Reduction Act passed last year. It allowed the government to pick 10 drugs this year and start paying 25% or greater discounts starting in 2026. The savings are substantial, as these drugs account for $50 billion or 20% of spending under Medicare's Part D drug benefit. The hit to each firm looks manageable. The biggest drug is Eliquis, the popular blood thinner, with over $12 billion of Medicare spending. Pfizer and Bristol Myers Squibb share profit equally on these sales. Assuming a 25% reduction, and this is all profit, that's a $1.5 billion less for Pfizer. Since the company trades 11 times earnings, that's about a $17 billion hit, or less than 10% of Pfizer's market cap. That looks manageable. And that's assuming the law doesn't change before negotiated prices take effect, or court challenges strike it down. Moreover, competition may bite, as the patents on Eliquis and several other drugs on the list are long in the tooth. Yet Medicare will pick another 10 drugs next year, and the number will eventually increase to 20. This massive hits will be harder to ignore for investors. The government estimates savings will eventually reach $25 billion annually by 2031. Assuming that's out of earnings, and investors continue paying about 11 times for earnings, that's a $275 billion hit to investors.